Here at Bowling Green State University, we invite you to break a sweat, get outdoors, stay active, and unleash your potential. You can join Freddie and Frida as they make their way to our BGSU Campus Recreation Center, where you will be greeted by our friendly front desk staff. Then you can see what all of our BGSU Campus Recreation Center has to offer, including taking a trip downstairs to one of our group exercise studios. A variety of group exercise classes are available to students, faculty, and community members alike, and they are all taught by certified group exercise instructors. In addition to cycle classes, you can also try one of our other group exercise classes, including body pump, strength circuits, yoga, or one of our TRX training zone classes. Participate in resistance training with the support of Freddie and Frida, or try rock climbing at our climbing wall. Whatever activity you choose to do, remember that at BGSU, exercise is for everyone.